Hi, welcome. This is Sumit, and in this video today, I'm going to share an interesting business opportunity which you can actually start from your own home. And this is going to be a fully plug and play business. That means you do not have to put efforts in terms of buying any product or doing anything. It's very simple and it's easy to do. I'm just giving you the entire step-by-step method. You can actually make notes. You can go through the video again. And if you want, we can have a one-on-one discussion over phone or over Zoom. But this business opportunity will make you very successful. You may not even require to do any other job, any other business. That is the power of this business. Now, let me share my screen and show you the statistics and facts that how much people are making business in a monthly basis in e-commerce, especially in this particular niche. And if it interests you, I can actually provide you the fully functional ready-made business opportunity that you can start today itself. So here we go. This is the plug-and-play e-commerce startup business opportunity where I will be giving you the export-ready business that you can simply get started. For example, if you see this Amazon.com, I'm not showing .in.com, you see many of these products which are already there, and you can see that how many sales are happening. Like 1,000 people have purchased the last month. 2,000 people have purchased the last month at $7. That means $7 to $14,000 value of sale. $40, amazing. $40, 3,000 sales. That means about $90,000 value of sale happened the last month itself. So people who are just struggling to make some money, just learn here that you can actually make profits in a month-on-month basis. Most of you are actually thinking that how will you be able to make this kind of sale, right? I will give you the complete plug and play model. See, if 9,000 people are buying at $17, you can easily calculate it as $170,000 value of sale, $170,000 value of sale. This is about $80,000 value of sale. So one thing is clear that people are buying every single month. These are the products which can be sold, and you can just venture into a business where people are buying things every single day. So tea, coffee, or any kind of beverages are having great international demand. I was showing you Amazon.com. Same way we can sell it in Etsy also. I'll set up the store. I'll guide you how to do it. This is Singapore's website. And here you can see that the number of sales are about 1,200, 1,300, 9,400, 21,500 sales, 1,700. So these are the big number of sales, and it's not just one inventory. Every single person who are listing their products, they're getting sales. So one thing is very clear, whether you are selling in a global marketplace like Etsy, or you are selling in Amazon, or you're selling in Singapore's local site that is Lazada, or noon.com that's in Dubai, or maybe in India, anywhere you want to sell, you can sell and you can make great amount of profit. So how do we get these products? You know, one thing is interesting. If you go to noon.com, you see a lot of these products are Indian products. What you see here are all manufactured in India. So let's say that we get started with an e-commerce business. I'll provide you the fully functional ready-made e-commerce business for you. Okay. So now let's start that what you are going to get from me, that I'm very confident that you will be able to start a highly successful business. So first thing first, whatever I'm showing you, this is legit. It's proven that people are making profits. It's not some kind of thing where, that whether you will become successful or not. Of course, it's Amazon. You have to just create your store and start selling. How do you get the products? I'll directly give you the connections of suppliers. Very simple. So you don't have to even think like whether I should trust this business or not. Of course, tea and coffee people are buying. Of course, people are buying from Amazon. And the best is if you can have your own e-commerce store. And that is something which I'll give you in this program itself. So what you're getting, 100% guaranteed e-commerce sales. You'll get the buyer's database. You'll get the plug-and-play e-commerce store builder. You'll get the mentorship support. This is an export opportunity in e-commerce where you can do bulk sales. You can make great amount of profits. Single transaction itself can give you about $10,000 to $15,000. Who knows, maybe more also. It depends on your smartness, how good you can do business expansion. So what you're going to master is digital marketing in this, and online sales with certified e-commerce professional program. So what I've done, first thing first is the learning part. You will be learning everything about e-commerce business, how to start, how to grow, what different types of e-commerce business models are there. I have made about 500 different business strategies, marketing strategies, lessons in this. So everything, whatever you're going to learn, it's more than an MBA program. Whatever I'm giving you, even you don't need to hold any inventory. With this dropshipping program, you can simply get started. Like simply list the product and the supplier will supply the product. That is the simplest way to do business today. And it's not like that hard work in the ancient times, how people used to open the shops, even people do now also. But I think it's more easy to do business today because they do not know how to do business online. That's where they're struggling and they are like, it's not something which I can do. If they can't do, let them not do. But you can be the market leader because you can learn the e-commerce and digital marketing skills, right? So I'll give you the distributionship rights of this, and you can become a global trade expert in this. I myself work with Alibaba Group China. I have learned export, import, international trade. So whatever I have learned and I have practiced in my own business, I'll be guiding you the same exact things. You can start working on that. Digital marketing up to that level, I'll teach you where you can actually start getting sales, traffic, and leads into your own e-commerce business. You don't have to worry about leads or any kind of thing because this strategy that I will be teaching you, this is something which is working for me. So whatever is working for me, I'm giving a copy of that to you. In terms of marketing automation, you don't have to even do marketing regularly or make sales closures. People will come to your funnel, they will only keep buying. So it's like a perpetual system where automatically the whole system works automatically 24/7. Even if you're sleeping, the business will keep happening. In terms of growth hacking, I'll teach you the strategies how Ola and Uber actually scaled their business to the global market by just making people only to promote Ola and Uber. Same strategies we can apply in our business. Same way how to get in the top of Google search, that is SEO. So all the things that I'm telling you, even getting into the social media marketing, utilizing the contents and utilizing influencers, creation of different types of contents like ebooks and white papers, case studies, infographics, all those different things that I'll be teaching you, you can leverage all of them and grow your business. You also get certification from us, so that this is government approved certification. Okay, 17 certificates I'm including in this. Everything practical, live interactive online sessions. So you don't have to even worry about like how you will learn, what will happen, whom to meet, nothing. Online, fully on Zoom call, and also recorded sessions, plus lifetime of access, lifetime of update, lifetime of support. Everything I'm giving you as part of the same single all-in-one program. So this is basically one program that we created with IIEC. And not only that, we have got many experts and mentors. These people have good experience in e-commerce and their own businesses. Some are doctors, some are staying in foreign countries. So all of us together are here to guide you so that you can build a business. Now, the main question is, who are you? You may be a student, you may be a working professional. If you're a student, your biggest struggle is to get a career. And I think if you think of getting a job right now, go for a job. But the problem is you'll be stuck in that life forever and you will never be getting out in that. You will not get out of that. I can write down and tell you. Very few, rarely, somebody from IIT, IIMs maybe. But most of the people, once they get into the cycle of job and they get into that comfort zone, they're done in their life. That's all. The life ends. So the other option is you can actually start with the e-com business. Think of this as an internship if you're a student and you're actually doing your e-commerce business, making some money out of it. And this will give you a lot of knowledge, a lot of experience. Trust me, what I am teaching you here, I'm straightforward teaching you business. I'm not teaching you this, do this masters of business administration and you'll be getting a job. Come on, I don't want to give any job. Yes, I can give you job guarantee if you are interested to do sales of e-commerce products in my business. But then again, you know what? That may not be something which you can actually enjoy. You will get a small peanut amount. What you really want to do in life as a student, you want to have that financial freedom. You want to explore your whatever the knowledge and experience and expertise and skills you are getting in this last 20-25 years of life. You want to implement that and make a better life for you. So for that, I want you to learn the art of making money, big money. And that's why I want you to start your e-commerce business with the practical learning that I'll be giving you here. Your life will completely change. Same way, if you are a working professional, now I know that you are stuck in a 9 to 5 job. You want to get out of that. Start this as a side income, side business, part-time. 2-3 hours you can invest in a week. I'm not even saying day. In a week, I know you don't get time. Saturdays, Sundays, whenever you get time. Just invest some money, like maybe 500 rupees, that's all, 100 rupees, that's all in the ad. And see some results coming in, see some sales coming in. And I'm very confident that once you start seeing the money is coming, the taste of the blood is there with you, you will yourself take the decision to actually get into full-time into business. And once it actually starts generating more money than what you're getting into your job right now, you can switch into this full-time with confidence. I'll make it happen if you start working on this. I will make sure that you will be an entrepreneur very soon. And if you're a business owner or an entrepreneur, you may be currently struggling with the same thing, that how can you grow your business? So get into e-commerce business, do exports. There's a huge opportunity out here. So why not? And even if you're a freelance consultant, it's the best that you start your own company, your own startup, and make it a $1 million business. So no longer be like a freelance consultant anymore. So we are here in news and many things are there. Many students are successful. So I want you to explore this program where I'm giving you 17 certificates as bundle. I'm giving you different types of contents, every single thing what we like, in the market people are selling these programs independently at 50,000 rupees. I'm talking about minimum prices, but I thought like my students can actually learn everything as a single program itself. So whatever you're seeing right now, every single thing here I have included in a single program. And what about my own credibility? See, I'm working with people who are like successful people. He's an IS officer, he's a MP, and these are some university delegates. I worked with Amazon Group, I worked with Alibaba, and my experience is pure into B2B export import, e-commerce, digital marketing, and I have been training entrepreneurs for last 10 years. So whatever experience I have gained from 2015 till now, it's not just about training people. Training is something which I like to do because this keeps me think of it as like passion of educating people. But more importantly, my interest is to build a business which can help India's growth, which can make India's export to become higher than China's export. And to do that, I want to create more and more entrepreneurs who can export Indian products using e-commerce. So if you see all these things, these are all legit. You can actually contact AICT directly and ask about, hey, is Indian Institute of E-commerce affiliated to AICT or not? Come on, this is just for your sake, for seeing that it is affiliated or not. Many people have a question, right? Now we are virtual. You may not be able to meet and see if it is legit or not. Indian Institute of E-commerce is fully approved institute by the central government. It's a Section 8 licensed organization. This is my own profile. You can read it and you can find out more information about other mentors and guides who are there in this. So whatever you're seeing right now, it's all valid and legit institute, and every single thing, whatever I'm showing you, this is all credible. Now I want you to take this decision to start your own e-commerce business because this journey will change your life completely. So what you're seeing right now, this plug and play e-commerce export business, what I was showing you different type of tea and coffee, whatever is listed in marketplaces such as e-commerce marketplace like Amazon, these are getting sold. So how do we get that? I will give you everything from my side, the contacts of suppliers, the e-commerce store builder, and whatever the products you are seeing right now, coffee powder or tea powder or different types of the premix teas or herbal tea. These are having great international demand. World is big. People want tea, coffee every day. And we should be able to supply that. And if you're able to do that, of course, you will be able to do it with the guidance and support that I'm giving you. In next 2 to 3 years, you'll have great amount of profits. Making 4-5 crore is easy. I'm talking about monthly. So what you're getting, a fully functional ready-made plug and play e-commerce store builder. You can design all these themes and you can make your own theme as you want, how you want. Same way you can just do. So this is the opportunity. This is the opportunity that you should not miss. This is my own e-commerce store that I'm showing you. This is my analytics of the last few months, and these are the list of products that I have listed in my e-commerce store. I'm mainly focusing on Indian products export. These are different types of themes which are there. You can customize it. It's very easy. You don't have to have any technical knowledge. Very simple how we log in into Instagram, Facebook. Same way you can just log in, create an account and start working on. Not only that, I'll also give you a lot of softwares. About 73 softwares are included in this, whether it is about advertisement in Facebook or advertisements of Google or doing Google SEO, that is search engine optimization. It's very easy. You simply have to, and it is AI integrated. That means you don't have to put the effort so much. Also, you can just as a single business owner, you can do it. You just need to have a domain name of your interest, add the people. If you are hiring people in future, add them and directly collect payment from people to your bank account. Very simple. And for shipping and logistics, I have already integrated the system in this, so people will directly come and they can buy from you. So this is going to be ready-made plug and play e-commerce store builder. And along with that, you will also get mentorship and guidance. I will also teach you how to find the buyers in the international market who can buy from you in bulk, and how to also sell on marketplaces like Amazon. Every single thing will give you good profits. At least you will learn something, right? So instead investing this money in something where you are not sure how much returns you can get, here you can get at least 20x, 30x, or maybe more returns, because this can be your next big startup which you can start today. So I don't want you to delay in this business opportunity. Don't delay. This is the one of the kind of business opportunity that in India anyone is giving. I think apart from me, I don't know anyone is giving also. I should have actually made it as a franchise opportunity. I should have said that, it should cost you minimum of 50 lakh rupees to give such kind of opportunity. Yes, but then I'm looking for like-minded entrepreneurs who can join hands with me, and we can actually bring more sales and generate profits here. That's where we all will grow together. Why are you waiting for is my question. You might have seen so many contents online, but this is definitely not like any other content where somebody is just giving you some free ka gyan. It's a real thing, real deal, real business opportunity. People are manufacturing and farming in India. Things are at very low price. Just you have to list them, find buyers internationally and sell them. Crack deals and make money. Your life you can change with just one decision. That is, you can start this e-commerce business today. Wait no long, start this business with IIC, and I'll see you in my class. Thank you.